Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good too. So, the reason behind this one is we are making a survey of placed students. Okay,
Okay.
to get your opinions, your experience, and the problems you have faced, and how you overcome those problems regarding placement. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
can you share your valuable information with us? So this will help your juniors. Okay.
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank all my department coordinator. Without their support, I think it is not that much useful. Like giving placement training and gaining the knowledge from behind that, it is very useful, and the coordinator's guidance is very good.
So I'm going to ask you questions you can share your experience with that and your opinions with that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So my first question is like this: did you have any roadmap or plan for placements, or just you went to the flow?
Sir?
Like you joined engineering, civil engineering.
Yes,
so
yes,
did you have a vision so that I'll be cracking this interview, I'll be joining this company? Did you have any plan for placements, or you just went with the flow?
Sir, I went first of all, in the field of civil engineering, the placement is very difficult. They don't hire freshers. So I was in the hope that let it give a try on the placement, so that I cope up with what is happening in the industry and placement helped me in the placement helped me for the enhancement of my qualities, which is intimately leads to the placement activity.
Okay. So you had a plan then when you joined?
Sir?
Yes. You want to say that you had a plan when you joined the engineering, so that I'll get placed at the end of my completion of degree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine. So how did the Department of Training and Placement helped you in achieving your goals?
Basically, I was not so much good in that aptitude kind of things and soft skills, as I belong to the rural Karnataka. So, the placement and training placement gave me a good hope in communication and personality development, attributes and problem solving skills. That helped me a lot in placement training, and their guidance is also they have played an important role. That guidance also played an important role.
Okay, what are the training programs conducted in Keetham for your placements?
Sir, they held a mock interviews.
Okay.
And they made us to write mock exams, what company is willing to take. Like they have the exams aptitude test and the essay writings. Like that, sir. They given more chances, we have to enhance our attributes. They considered mock interviews. That helped a lot for us.
So what are the other training programs they have given? It may be regarding soft skills enhancement, it may be programming skills enhancement, or maybe some other skills. So did they conduct any training programs for you people?
Yes, sir. They have conducted the training programs also.
What kind of training programs?
Sir, rather than any department, they made us to, we belong to civil engineering. They trained us C programming and C++ programming, and they given soft skills training. They hired the third party too, and they gave us the training regarding soft skills.
Okay. So how did this training help you people to enhance your skills?
They put us from the scratch and made us to follow the what is given authority. They made us from the by this training we get the life skills, personality development, and pre-placement training helped a lot, and to make it the prove what we are, and career mapping is also very useful for us.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That helped a lot.
So you would like to say, like, the training programs help you to enhance your soft skills and programming skills, and it helped you to boost your confidence.
Yeah, boost your confidence and the positive attitude.
Thank you. So I would like to ask next question. What are the problems you encountered when you are facing an interview?
Yes, sir. Proper communication.
Did you have any confidence problems, self-confidence problems, or any communication problems?
Before, I attended more than 4 to 5 interviews.
Okay.
2 interviews are before the training and placement program. Okay. So before that, I was having the problem of communication and self-confidence, confidence in talking. What should I talk and what should I not talk, and what type of communication I should use. After the placement activity, I got a chance in another interview. Again, by utilizing the skills what they are given from the placement and training activities, I utilized that activity, and by utilizing that, I got a chance for the company.
Okay.
By using such skills.
Okay, you mean to say that before training programs, you had some problems with you, it may be regarding communication skills or maybe confidence level. So you're telling that your training programs helped you to enhance those skills. You can it made you to focus on those problems and to encounter those problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Overcome those problems. Okay.
Yes.
So that is very good to hear. So I would like to ask you the next question. So did you get rejected in any of the company?
So before I said that before training and placement, I attended 2 companies.
Okay.
In that, I don't know what should talk and what type of they talk. In that company they have taken up jam, just a minute like that. I don't know what type of communication should talk and that. So by that, I think I got rejected from that.
Okay. So how did you overcome those problems then?
By utilizing the training and placement activities. Again, for the companies, they are also given the chance for group discussions and jam. Again, by that, I overcome those problems and made a good attempt for the jam section.
Okay. So what are the mistakes you made during this journey? Not focusing on certain things or like that. Any kind of things is there? Would you like to share with us? Is there any mistakes you made? Not taking placement seriously or not taking training program seriously like that? No.
No, sir, not.
Okay, then that's good of you, because most of your juniors are making these mistakes. So that is why I asked you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question I would like to ask is, what are your suggestions for your juniors? It may be regarding training program, whether they have to attend the training programs or not.
One question I am telling that, sir, why should we take up training? I have some points made by me. It provides training for development of integrated personality. So it makes the integrated personality of one's, and so that he or she can make what or she want to become and provide employable skills to students. It made what industry is asking, the students should gain the knowledge and develop, and not only by taking to the company, and placement and training activities also develop and innovate the ideas for new budding entrepreneurs and dynamic leadership quality. And lastly, by the training and placement activity, they can achieve what they want.
Okay, so it means you are suggesting your juniors to go through the training programs without fail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that will definitely going to help them in the placement activities.
Yes,
okay, so what are your comments on the placement opportunities for civil engineering students?
Sir, as of now, before that, it was not. When I come to know about this placement regarding our seniors, they got placed 100% placement. As of now, for civil engineering 2020 batch, nearly we got 80 to 85% of placement activity.
Okay.
So it is increasing.
Okay, I mean, I'm asking whether you have core companies coming to your campus or
The core companies have came, sir. The core
Okay.
companies have came for our college, sir, for civil engineering students.
Sakleen, I'm asking, like, as of now in the real world, the civil engineering, the core companies opportunities are very less. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Compared to the IT sector. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But even your civil students can also participate in take up the interviews in IT companies,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So, would you like to suggest your juniors to go to, to learn the programming skills and
Yes,
to
sir.
try to crack IT sectors also, IT sector
Yes,
companies
sir.
also?
Yes, sir. Few of our classmates have also cracked the IT companies like TCS
Okay, so
by
that's good to listen.
by the
So you are
placement active training.
okay. You would like to say it is not impossible to crack IT fields also, IT
Yeah, it
companies
is
also.
possible, sir. It is possible
Okay,
for civil students also.
it is possible for civil students also. So with this, you want to conclude that the students can go through the programming language classes and they
Yes,
can
sir.
also crack the IT sector companies.
Yes.
So I would like to share your opinions or any. So did you have any interview tricks like that when you are facing an interview? So
Like, sir?
have you gone through self-preparation, pre-preparation for the interview? Like there are some expected questions when you go to an
Yes, sir.
interview. So why should we hire you? Tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir.
So such kind of questions. So these questions are asked you to make yourself comfortable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So how did you prepare for those questions? Or just went blankly?
No, sir. Like some questions, like we went like completely, and for some questions we got soft skills training. No, sir. In that, maximum questions are covered.
Okay. So these basic questions help you to make yourself comfortable in the interview panel members, in front of panel members, and
Yes,
so that you can build your confidence level, so that you can answer the further questions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what would you like to suggest your juniors regarding their self-confidence? How they should work on their self-confidence?
Sir, as I said before only, self-confidence is not like we cannot give directly by from us. They should have confidence and they can develop. Like we can't give 100% of self-confidence to them. They should develop, but by taking the soft skills training and pre-placement active and placement ID, they can develop the self-confidence also.
Okay. So there is one more question, like if you face as many interviews as possible, so automatically your confidence level will increase.
Yes, confidence level will be increased.
Lesser the number of interviews you face, lesser the confidence you have.
Lesser the confidence we have. Yeah.
Yes or no? Whether you get placed or not, if you attend more number of companies, definitely it is going to help your confidence level, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you would like to suggest your juniors that whether you join a company or not, whether you get selected or not, just to give a try.
Give a try to gain the self-confidence and the good communication skills.
Yes. Okay. So is there any other suggestion that you would like to give to your juniors?
As I said before, that suggestion: take a training seriously and make the use of it. Yes.
Okay. So and attend as many interviews as possible.
Yeah. As you said, yes. That help you to gain the much confidence.
Okay. So thank you, Sakleen. Thank you for sharing your valuable information with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.